In this video, I am going to show you a quickest way to make money by using Google News. And I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything right after watching this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button before watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, search on Google for Google News and just click on this link and you will visit to this kind of interface. Now do nothing, scroll below and click on technology and you can find lots of news that are related to technology in this technology section of Google News. So now just scroll below and see which of the article is a little bit interesting for you. Okay, so let's say for example you are interested in this article, so simply just click on it and open this article. Now you'll see this kind of interface. This is from some site that is called this Casmarena. Scroll below, read the article. As you can see here, last week Samsung released a stable update to One UI 5.0 based. So something interesting that is like last week Samsung did something, that kind of thing is written at here. Okay, you can read this article. So it is small, it will not work. Okay, in that case what you can do is you can find out another article that is a little bit long. Okay, so iRobot flagship, just open it and see what's written. This is from another news site that is called engadget.com. iRobot flagship Romba combo J7. Okay, whatever it is, read it. If you find it interesting, just read it. Okay, till the end. What is the information or education this article is trying to give? Understand that thing. Okay, understand that thing properly. And then what other people will teach you, like if they are teaching about Google News, then they will tell you to copy this article and then spin this article by using this kind of tools like quill boot, spin boot. So in this kind of bot, you can simply copy this article, paste it at here and rewrite it. Okay, rewrite it. But if you do this, then it will not work. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to read all the article and understand the article, what information or education this article is trying to give. Understand that thing properly, and then you already have the title and all of the things that you need. Okay, and then be smart and open a notepad and write a similar article. Okay, in your own voice and in your own language. Sorry, not in your own language, I mean in your own tone. And once you have written that article, then simply type on Google Grammarly, and it is a free online writing assistant. Okay, it will help you to correct your grammar in the article that you have written after understanding everything from this article. Okay, so just rectify everything by clicking on here. Okay, just click on it, follow the step-by-step instruction to sign up and use it for free to correct your grammar. Once you have the final piece of the article, then you need to submit this article to a website that is called sierra.com. So this is a magazine where lots of articles are being posted, and you can contribute your article to this magazine or this platform so that you can get paid by Sierra. So to do so, what you need to do is you just visit on Google and type Sierra magazine submission. Okay, and you can see editorial guideline and submission to Sierra magazine. You want to read this editorial guideline, that is fine, you can click on it, read it. Okay, but for now just click on submission to Sierra magazine and you will open this kind of interface. So now you need to fill out all the information that is asked at here. So in case if you have already published some article, you can keep the link to those article at here, or if you don't have, then just simply type like NA at here. Okay, no any. And in story topic, you can just select what is the thing that you are going to submit to them, like gadget, exercise, okay, whatever it is. Okay, so just focus on the technological things only. Okay, in the article, so just select gadget or whatever it is, because if you don't submit the article that they need, then it will be ignored. Okay, as it is written at here. And then just paste your article at here and type about your writing background. You can say I am a complete newbie, but instead of that you can say I am a little bit experienced on certain things. Okay, you may know about something about writing. If you don't know about writing completely, then you can watch some other tutorial related to writing articles, and you will know a lot, and you can write this background according to that. Similarly, as you can see here, sorry, I did use cool. I certified that I did not use Quillboot or similar tools to rewrite someone else work. So Quillboot means, as I have already told you, this is the Quillboot that rewrites your article. You don't use this kind of stuff, okay? It doesn't work at all. So simply select, this piece is for a story of my own original writing. Yes, now you may have read, you may have got the idea from this article, but what you did is you completely firstly understood this article, and then only you wrote this article, okay? And that is going to be your original work. So you can easily click on this piece is for a story of my own original work writing, and then click on submit. And once your articles get approved or get selected, then they will ask you for your payment method so that they can pay you. Now payment varies according to the words that you have typed and the topic that you have chosen. In general, they pay anywhere from $350 plus, okay, to the regular contributors. And if you can become a regular contributor for Sierra, then you are going to make good amount of money by using Google News and Sierra website. However, if Sierra doesn't accept your article at all, then what you can do is simply search on Google for Sierra magazine alternative for writers, and you'll see some of the articles. And as you can see here, right, for magazine 21 publication that pays you $500 plus, okay? You can click on it and open it and see what other magazine can pay you good amount of money, and scroll below, read all of those, and again repeat the same process. Go to Google News, read some article that this magazine requires, and understand it properly, and then write your own version and submit it to them. Now this is not only going to make you money quickly, but it will also make you able to write articles in an easy way, which can lead you to create your own website. And if you can build your own website and write articles, then you can make good amount of money with ads also. Similarly, you can sell your writing service on freelance website like Fiverr, Upwork. As you can see, lots of other people are already doing and making good amount of money at here, 1k plus order, okay, $50 per order. As you can see, there is lots of opportunity in writing. And no matter what, you can always find the articles that you need to write inside Google News. That's it, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.